Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making avocado toast 3 ways. This is one of my favorite breakfast go-tos and it's really quick and easy. So let's go ahead and get into it. For these recipes, I'm only using 2 avocados. I'm actually only going to use an avocado and a half. So the first thing I have is a bowl and also my avocado. I'm just going to cut this in half and I'm going to put half the avocado in a bowl with just a pinch of salt. I'm also adding a teaspoon of lime juice. You could also use lemon. And I'm going to mix this up, and this is the first recipe. It's very classic, very simple. I love some citrus with a little bit of salt, and this was actually the first recipe I made a few years ago, so I'll link that video down below if you guys are interested in watching that. But moving on to the next recipe. This one's with a little bit of garlic, and I'm also going to add some tomatoes at the end. So I actually minced 1 garlic clove, and I'm just going to use half of it for this recipe. And also adding a little bit of salt, then I'm going to mix that together. Now I'm just going to spread this all over my toast, and I'm also adding some cherry tomatoes, which I sliced in half, and you can add as many as you like. I love the garlic with the tomato, it just is so good. So moving on to the last recipe. Again, starting with just half an avocado, I'm going to use the rest of that garlic from earlier. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and this will make it just a little spicy and hot, which I love. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt, just a pinch of it. Now I'm going to mix it together. And I'm going to go ahead and spread that all over my toast, and I want to add some more red peppered flakes on top because I just like it hot. And side note, it makes it look a little fancier, hey. So these are the 3 different recipes I have, and again, these are my go-to recipes, so definitely try this out. That's it just for these recipes. Again, you can do several different things. Adding the cream cheese, adding an egg. You could also add some cilantro. I've even seen people add fruit to their avocado toast. There's so many different things you can do with your avocado toast. So I think you should just experiment and see what you like best. But these are some of my favorites. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already, because I put out new videos every week. And yeah, that's it for this one. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, bye.